Fake IRS letters are going around again. I want to arm you with the information you need so that you never get scammed by a fake IRS letter. I'll provide a few examples, and after watching this video, you'll have the information you need to never get tricked by an IRS scam letter. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Noel Lorenzana, your friendly neighborhood accountant. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Spotting a fake IRS letter, email, message, or whatever you get is easy to detect as long as you follow a couple guidelines. First off, when initiating contact with you, number one, the IRS won't email you. Number two, the IRS won't send you a text message. Number three, the IRS won't contact you via social media. Number four, the IRS won't call you, generally speaking, unless you've already been communicating with them. In that case, it's possible that they could call you. These four guidelines should help you eliminate 80% of the fake IRS notices that are sent out by scammers. Okay, so check this out. Here's an email that was recently going around. When you first look at it, it looks legit, but if you remember my four guidelines, the IRS won't email you. So right off the bat, you should ignore and delete the email. If you're still not sure, then scrutinize the email message. You'll typically find errors like in this one. It says, "Dear taxpayer." Taxpayer should be one word and not two. It also refers to the status of your 2023 income tax return. Right, you haven't filed the 2023 tax return yet since they aren't due until April of 2024. You can also look at the sender information and look at where the reply to is addressed. That's a little advanced, but you don't have to even do all that. If the IRS notice came by email, then it's most likely 100% fake. So let me repeat the guidelines to remember. The IRS won't email you. The IRS won't send you a text message. The IRS won't contact you via social media. And the IRS won't call you unless you're already in communication with them regarding a tax matter. Are we good? Okay, so the only thing you really need to be careful with are IRS letters that come in the mail. These are less frequent, probably because of the cost of mailing, but scammers do send them. Here's how to spot a fake IRS letter. Number one, look for spelling mistakes. Number two, look for bad grammar. Number three, look for incorrect information. Number four, Google the phone number and/or address. Applying these filters should allow you to authenticate an IRS letter by yourself. One important thing to note is with ChatGPT and AI, fake IRS letters could become harder to detect. Ultimately, if you're not sure, you can always call the IRS at their main number at 1-800-829-1040 and talk to an IRS employee. They can let you know definitively if they sent out the letter. And if you need help getting through to the IRS, check out my video on how to contact the IRS by phone. The link is up here. So let's look at this next letter and apply these filters. This is an older fake letter, but this one does look pretty good. Okay, so firstly, let's look for spelling mistakes. The spelling looks pretty good. Number two, let's look for bad grammar. Okay, third paragraph. If you didn't file this tax return, you should still confirm to us that you may be a victim of identity theft. Okay, that sentence is bad English. You should still confirm to us that you may be a victim of identity theft. Okay, number three. Let's look for incorrect information. Okay, social security number up here. It has all nines. Typically, a real letter would have your social security number or at least a partial indication of your social security number. Number four, if you Google the phone number, it actually checks out. But the way this scam works is they include a payment voucher going to a fake address where the scammers get your money and you'll never get it back. In this case, calling the IRS would have confirmed it was a scam or fake IRS letter. More recently though, the way they're scamming people is by getting you to call a fake number where you're actually calling a scammer or IRS impersonator and that person convinces you that you owe the IRS money and that you'll go to jail if you don't buy some prepaid gift cards to give them over the phone. I actually had a full call with an IRS phone scammer, which was pretty interesting, which you can check out up here. Just remember that the IRS never initiates contact with taxpayers by email, text messaging, or social media regarding a bill or tax refund. Okay, here's another one. This one actually looks pretty convincing, but naturally there are some glaring things that tell you it's a scam IRS letter. For example, up here on the left, the address is all wrong. If you Google it, you'll see that it's not a valid IRS address. Down here it says make your check or money order payable to IRS. This is wrong since payments should be made to the United States Treasury. So if you get a call, email, or text message from someone saying they're from the IRS, just hang up or delete the message. Now if you get a letter in the mail, you need to look that over carefully. Use my tips to help you determine if the letter is real or not. When in doubt, talk to your tax professional or call the IRS directly at 1-800-829-1040. I hope you found the video helpful. My name's Noel. On this channel, I usually talk about taxes and accounting related to small business owners. If you want to know more about that, check out my free ebook, 10 Tips to Simplify Your Taxes. Link is down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.